Hello friends, my name is Deepanshu. Today my topic, what is the difference between Power BI and Tableau? Today my concern, which one is the best visualization tools? Power BI and Tableau are two important business intelligence technology for the collection, integration, analysis and presentation of business information. They help you perform data analysis, data manipulation and data visualization to make sense of business data and draw insights. Power Benefit and limitation of Power BI and Tableau. Power BI is low price integration with Microsoft product, user friendly, fast and secure data processing, while Tableau advanced visualization, multiple data connectivity, great performance. Limitation बात करते हैं. Power BI is dependent on Microsoft product, limited Excel integration as soon, while Tableau is high price challenge with Microsoft integration as soon. आगे चलते हैं तो cost performance, learning curve, यूजर इंटरफेरेंस, कम्युनिटी सपोर्ट, डाटा सोर्स एंड विजुअलाइजेशन ऑप्शन के ऊपर हमने इनको डिवाइड किया हुआ है. Customers support in Power BI and Tableau. Microsoft Power BI is a younger in the market than Tableau and hence a small community, while Tableau has over 160,000 active users participating in over 500 global user group and over 1,50,000 active customers participating in the Tableau online communities. लास्ट में हम देखते हैं Power BI is a big, tasty and proud, while Tableau so much to eat from every state. Power BI is like MC Donald, while Tableau is like barbecue nations. Thank you for watching my video.